drinking alcohol after a workout can hinder muscle growth and recovery. A study conducted by sports scientists at Massey University in New Zealand investigated the effects of alcohol consumption on post-exercise recovery. The researchers divided participants into two groups. One group drank orange juice after an intense leg workout, while the other group consumed vodka mixed with orange juice in an amount equivalent to 8 glasses of wine or beer. The scientists measured each group's maximum strength after the workout and found that the group that drank alcohol had significantly lower peak torque compared to the group that drank only orange juice. The researchers believe that alcohol may interfere with the nerve stimulation needed for muscle growth and also impede the production of cytokines, which are necessary for the immune system to repair damaged muscle tissue after exercise. Based on these findings, the researchers recommend that athletes avoid drinking alcohol in the post-workout period to ensure optimal recovery and muscle growth.